Tēnā koutou katoa, ko hiria tōku ingoa. Let's learn some poi moves. So here we have our poi. This is our upoko, or the head. This is our taura, which is the plaited handle. And this is our huka huka, or our pom-pom. Starting from the middle, give it a pinch. Now slowly move your poi in a direction with a nice flowing tempo. What you might want to try is rolling it in towards you, nice slow tempo. Now we're going to hit the ball to change direction. And hit. Trying again. We're going to hit the ball, control, hit. What we're going to try now is to catch the ball. Directional control, tahi, rua, toru, wha, catch. Now we're going to try hitting it off the back of our pokohiwi, or our shoulder. Directional control coming in towards you, tahi, rua, toru, wha. Once you've built up a bit of confidence, with a bit of practice, you can use tupoi. And this is how we look after our beautiful taonga. When I'm out and about, I like to show off my poi. All that hard mahi that you've done, you want everybody to see it. So make sure you keep it up off the ground and away from kai and water, like this. When I head home, I like to hang it up, show it off, display it. But if you see anyone admiring your poi, feel free to gift it to them so they can be the new kaitaki too. Karawhiua!